from Nalgonda district, Telangana state, and I am a SDT in G-Block MSN Unit 2, Kothur. I would like to thankful to MSN organization selecting as a SDT since 6 months onwards as a part of MSN organization.
Hello everyone, I am M. Dharani. I came from Parvatipuram district from AP state. First of all, I would like to thank MSN organization for initiating a great idea like SDT, which means Sen Driven Team. It has been great opportunity for us to work as a SDT. It has been completed 8 months for me to work in this organization. From past 5 months to I was working in G Block OS team as if in packing lines.
Very precious opportunity for me to be a part of this company, and because so many girls are facing problems at home and discontinuing their graduation, so I feel very happy to get the opportunity in this organization. It is very good idea developing this thing like learn and earn. Present I am working in G-Block manufacturing OST and learning new things regarding troubleshooting, documentation by my superiors, and I'm involving in the whole process of manufacturing and developing my skills day by day to be an independent girl. So I'm very thankful